Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can change username on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to change username on Windows 11, simply click on this search option and search for control panel. So here we have our control panel application. Simply open control panel and here view by categories, then click on user account. And here click on user account. Here you will find a option to change your username. Let me tell you that if you want to change username on your Windows 11 computer, then you have to have a local account instead of Microsoft account. To know whether you are using local account or Microsoft account, then you have to click on make changes to my account in PC settings. Here you can see I'm using local account. If you are using Microsoft account instead of local account, then you will not find an option to change username on your Windows 11. Now to change the username, simply click on change my account name and here enter your new name. So let me enter thecoderworld. To change the username, simply click on change name. Here you can see thecoderworld is a new username to my Windows 11 computer. Now simply close this window. Now to verify whether your name has been changed or not, simply click on the start button and here you can see my name has not yet changed. To change the username, simply right click on this old username, then click on sign out. And here you can see, here I had successfully changed my username to thecoderworld. You can also click on this start button and here you can see the username has changed to thecoderworld. So this way you can change username on your Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.